start because of the clouds. Now, coastal areas actually saw sun before areas like Salinas. This is that pool of moisture. Look at this. Just hanging out there. Very interesting setup. Now, this was actually overflow of Tule fog from the Central Valley. They get that a lot in winter. We don't necessarily see that a lot, but you can see it just settling there around 2,500 feet or so, maybe 2,000. So relatively shallow. We're sitting above that right now at Palo Escrito, just looking at it. Very interesting, mesmerizing, right? But what's going on for tonight? Well, it looks like we have less chances of seeing that. Now, we still could see it in some areas like Hollister, perhaps up into Gilroy, but the dense fog advisory is for the Central Valley. Now, I wanted to show this because this is all the way until Thanksgiving morning. I used to have family in Fresno, and driving out there at this time of year, so dangerous, especially when it's dark and that foggy, but it can stay very difficult to see in the middle of the day as well. So just want to give you that heads up, especially if your Thanksgiving week brings you into the valley. Be extra cautious. Give yourself extra time out there. But as for us, I don't think we're going to see as dense a fog as we go into tomorrow morning. But check that out. I mean, that limited temperatures today. King City only got to 62 degrees, while Soledad warmed up quicker at 69. Salinas only reached mid to low 60s because it was slow to cool because of that fog. You can still see some of that over on 99 and along 5 as well. So dealing with that fog locally now, we're seeing that clear sky. That did allow us to warm up a bit into the 60s, but now upper 50s. But if you notice, some of our coldest spots in those higher elevations only in the 50s. So not necessarily seeing that cold air around us. We have warmer air and we have opportunity to warm up, but that fog really played a role this morning. Tomorrow, as we go into the overnight, looks clear. Now, as I mentioned, we still could have some fog in some areas along 101, so keep that in mind. Coastal areas, I think you're going to be in the clear though. And look at this, we have an offshore wind, so we are going to start to see that offshore setup, keeping us a little bit warmer, a little bit drier. And then as we go into tomorrow, we are going to be seeing those sunnier conditions. Now, taking a look at temperatures throughout the day, we are going to be seeing those temps mostly in the upper 60s, maybe 70s already by tomorrow. Better chance though as we go into Wednesday, Thanksgiving itself. Then a lot in question for the weekend to follow. Now, some forecast models are showing a little bit of rain, not quite buying that, but we could see some colder air with it. So we have dropped temperatures, not too significantly, but there's going to be a big difference from the next couple of days versus after Thanksgiving. So Black Friday, we're watching to see if those temperatures will drop significantly, but as of now, it looks like we'll say goodbye to 70s by as early as Friday, and then into the weekend to follow some cooler temperatures. But look at that, warming up nicely the next couple of days. Today, we had potential for 70s, but we really didn't get there. Big Sur got to 69. So did Soledad and Gonzales, but it was because of that Tule fog, that dense fog that just kept us cooler earlier in the day. Again, I don't think we'll be battling that locally, but if you are headed to the Central Valley, that's really the biggest threat in California for this Thanksgiving week.
Okay. Thanks, Gina. Coming up.